Ooh. Whoa. This is not our house. Holy cow.
It's a little different, isn't it, gentlemen? When you came in before, you were in a hallway, and you came around the corner. This was the kitchen, and that was the dining room. We blew all of this open.
This is, wow.
We put a new ridge beam so that we have a load-bearing beam all the way across the top, gives you the vaulted ceiling. That's how we were able to get rid of all those little posts and walls in the middle as well.
Yes.
We actually have a proper living room. We know you wanted a fireplace, wood-burning stove.
That's
Yes.
amazing.
It's actually lined up so you get the view of the lake.
What a
And-
concept, being up at the vacation home and being able to see the lake.
Yeah. No. Nothing about this is what I expected.
This room used to be the laundry room,
Yeah.
and then there was a bed jammed over here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And there was a sink in the
And
corner.
there's a dryer vent.
Now it's got a real purpose.
It's a nice bedroom.
It is a nice bedroom. So you got 3 full bed. Whoa! That's it.
Last bed was so bad, I needed to test this bed. Oh.
Ooh.
Love this.
Right? This is the capacity room for
Yeah.
sure.
This is the party room.
One of my favorite things is this theme of this moonlight,
Oh.
and we thought it was just kind of a cool thing.
Oh, my daughter's gonna love that.
I
Right?
love
Brooke is going to be over the moon.
Oh!
Oh, this is a room.
Look at that.
Yeah, that is gorgeous.
You got the Juliet balcony, but unobstructed view. You can open the doors up.
From floor to ceiling, I can see the lake from in bed.
And gentlemen, check out this room.
That's a different bathroom. Wow.
That is awesome.
Wow.
I can easily say that this rocks.
Yeah, it sure does.
Oh, yes, it is.
Oh,
This is amazing.
this is fantastic.
We've got the lounging, we've got outdoor dining, and the barbecue setup.
Yep.
I love that.
Love the pergola here with the Edison bulb lighting, so it's nice
Awesome.
and moody in the evening.
Yes, please.
Yes.
We've got a telescope set up.
Love this.
If you're not looking at the sky, then you're gonna be looking at this. This is an inflatable movie screen.
Shut up.
Oh yeah. Boats can pull up and watch it from the backside. You can watch it from the shoreline.
That's amazing.
How are you feeling?
It's incredible. I'm so excited.